First of all, we will focus the frontal area. Okay.
Losing my hair, I've been doing it for about 7-8 years now, and it was just something that kind of stressed me out.
If we can extract too much hairs, I want to increase the middle part, also the crown part.
Cool. Yeah,
okay.
The front's also my focus. That'd be awesome. So, thank you. It's always the first thing you think about when you meet new people. Like, hey, what do they think about me? Like with my hair, so your confidence kind of drops.
What do you think about new hairline?
I mean, if you make it work, that'd be sick. So, it looks good.
Can you hold the mirror?
Yeah.
You can look closely.
Yeah, no, it makes sense to me.
Good?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I do. Thank you. I was definitely nervous, a little bit anxious. I'd never flown international before, made it anywhere. But again, talking to everyone, they made it seem really relaxed for me, really simple and chill. And yeah, those nerves kind of got over pretty quickly once everyone made me realize how easy it was going to be.
Under the line, we will add some irregular zigzag.
Okay.
For a more natural result.
Okay.
We don't want straight line. From here until here, from here until here.
Okay.
This part, the frontal portion, we will focus especially this area.
Sweet.
And second priority is the middle parts. We will do increased density here.
Okay.
If we have more grafts, also do the increased density to the crown part.
Okay.
But this part, the crown part, maybe it's up to your graft number. Okay.
Sweet.
We don't want to do over harvesting from your donor eye. We don't want to give damage your donor eye. Okay.
Sounds good, 100%.
Okay.
I'm feeling good about the consultation. Just met with Dr. Z. We looked over at my hairline. We're both focusing on the front, which is kind of the critical area for me. And then he mentioned if we have enough grafts, we'll throw some extra on top and kind of see how it goes.